Hey guys, happy holidays. It's James and Lauren here.
Felices fiestas.
Felices fiestas, exactly. And we're in La Posada de la Villa, which is a wonderful restaurant here in Madrid that serves great festive holiday winter food. So we wanted to come here and make a little video about what we've been up to.
So we're really excited to introduce our cookbook today, Spanish Feasts from the Devour Tours Kitchen. And this is a book that we've put together specifically for the holiday season. Because here in Spain, as you'll know, James, we love to be together during the holidays, and a lot of that includes eating and drinking and making our favorite dishes. This year, however, things are a little bit different. We know that not everyone can go to all of the events or maybe meet all the people that they want to meet, and we were thinking, well, how can we bring a taste of our Spanish holiday feasts to you in your kitchen, wherever you may be? So, what did we do?
Well, as you may know, we created a cookbook earlier in this year, which was put together by the team of wonderful dishes from across Europe. And what we've done is we've created a cookbook, a digital cookbook, which has fantastic festive holiday recipes from across Spain. Seville, San Sebastian, Madrid, Barcelona, the places that we have tours. And we're super excited to share these with you because this is a time when we know that a lot of you guys really want to bring some of Spain to you, given that you can't come here. So that's what we did.
Yeah, so this cookbook includes over 50 recipes, and these are home-cooked meals that we make in our families. So they come from our grandmas, our mothers, our tour partners and their families, our staff and our guides, and they have everything from sweet to savory. You'll have dishes like what we're eating now, roast a lamb, oxtail stew, delicious dishes, desserts, and these will be the things that will really bring Spain into your home during the holidays. You'll smell Spain, you'll taste Spain, you'll enjoy Spain as if you were here with us. So we hope that you will give these recipes a try, that you'll share the results with us, and that you'll continue to support Devour Tours. This has been a really difficult time for the tourism industry and for many industries. Our mission has always been to connect people over food, and it's been a challenge to do that without being able to bring people out on the tours that we all love. But we think that projects like this cookbook are ways that we can really continue to connect people and to share our love and passion for Spanish food with the world through these recipes.
So it's great to see you guys through the lens and feel your presence there, and we'd love you to click the link below and download the recipe book and join us celebrating the holidays through Spain. So
Exactly.
Cheers to you guys. Salud.
Cheers.
Salud, and have a great holidays.
Felices fiestas.